Somebody say it, Hetty 13, 13.
What's that?
Say something about your snow day.
I don't know what to think about it yet.
Are you excited?
Not really.
Why?
Alright, because I haven't seen the human species in like 3 days.
I'm human. What?
What?
Jerk. Okay, I know my patio looks white trash, but because of the wood and stuff, that was from when they were doing my ramp. Leftover stuff we just never got rid of. Takes his shoes that obviously don't fit him anymore and been out here forever. But
just ice. Like I can't even see
like,
part of the road at all.
yeah, that's all ice. No school today.
Yeah, back.
Irie, he's nice. He's nice.
He's a nice boy. See, Irie. Irie, be nice.
Okay.
It's Sandler.
She's nervous. Sandler.
You know Sandler.
Okay. I'm gonna set you down, Irie. Be nice. Be nice.
Sit, Irie.
Oh my.
Yeah, make sure you close those. I think it's safe to say this might have freezer burn. I was gonna make broccoli. Alright, so it's a snow day. Brittany and Sandler are over here because I feel better when they're here. It's windy and cold as balls. And I can't even open my gate because the ice has collected on both sides. So, yeah. It's a great day. Hot chocolate.
Wow, this is fun. This is fun.
I would say that's a slide fail. The what?
That French bread?
No.
Dang! Oh! Oh, you lucky. I'm about to rip you up.
Chase,
What? No.
what do you want to eat?
What do we got that's good?
My God.
What do we have that's good?
Chase.
Brittany, don't fall asleep.
Why?
Sandler. No. No.
I'm doing great. Thanks for the thong.
Hear that growl? That's Irie. She's jealous.